Say that a police officer has the right to slap a civilian, it is tantamount to encouraging police officers to commit crime. Slap is an assault.
So, but the matter wey carry me come of recent, one of the spokesperson for police, he come out talk say civilian no get right to slap police back if police slap them. In the first instance, I wan even know the legal implication before police arrest person, before them profile you, or if anything happen wey be say you dey road or somewhere like that, police suppose even slap you before anything happen. So na that angle wey I wan know.
All right. Thank you very much. First of all, a negative statement is 16 times more powerful than a positive statement. If na positive statement, na in this police PRO talk now, nobody go even bother about it. We will not be here talking about it. But because it is a negative statement that is encouraging police officers to commit crime, we must talk about it. And since it is a negative statement, it will take a 16 more positive statements to cancel that negative statement. So now, why is this a negative statement? I don't even want to talk about the civilians now. Let me talk about the police. To say that a police officer has the right to slap a civilian, it is tantamount to encouraging police officers to commit crime. Slap is an assault as provided in section 252 of the Criminal Code and section 264 of the Penal Code law. Slap is an assault. So to encourage police officers to say that in the course of arrest or whenever they have any business or anything to do with a civilian and there's a misnomer, to slap the civilian, it is encouraging the police officers to commit crime. And we will not agree that police officers that are supposed to protect us will now have the feelings and powers that they can actually commit crime. So that statement should be withdrawn. And as lawyers, we are condemning that statement in its entirety. Nigerians are law-abiding citizens very well. But in every crime, you have people who deviate. So if somebody is alleged to have committed crime and the police wants to arrest the person, Section 5 of the Police Act has already stipulated how the police officer should conduct himself during arrest. If you speak very well, you approach the criminal very well, he will submit himself for arrest. But by the time when you go, you want hose and slap back, and the police officer, the civilian look the police officer say, he look like me here. If you don't know what some of these civilians, they don't smoke, so waiting they their head, we know they encourage them. Then go watch the police slap back. And for the records, a police officer is supposed to be is supposed to be equal to two civilians. He's supposed to be gallant. You know, police supposed to chop better food, the gym, the exercise. All the things that they need to be properly trained.
That's not
the government is supposed to provide for them so that you get how civilian will even see you. He will not even make attempt, because there are instances that it is even the civilian that will slap the police.
Harassment of
in as much as we have said that the police should not commit crime by being the first person to slap, there are instances that the civilians will be the ones to slap the police. So the police should be well trained during arrest. If they approach the arrests professionally as provided in the Police Act, you will not have problem with civilians. They will submit themselves. And if the criminal wants to escape arrest, the Administration of Criminal Justice Law has made provisions on how to arrest a criminal that attempts to escape arrest. The law says you should use reasonable force. Slap is not a force. Slap is a degrading treatment. It may not be painful, but it's very degrading when you slap a person. And that is why we say it is a crime under Section 252 of the Criminal Code Act and Section 264 of the Penal Code. And the Constitution, which is the Grundnorm, the superior law over all laws in the land, has stipulated in section 34 that all citizens of the country are entitled to the dignity of their persons. Nobody should be subject to degrading treatment. So when you slap a person because you are a police officer, you are subjecting that person to a degrading treatment. And because of the emotional impulse, you slap me. If the person gallant pass you, goes woes you back. And at the end of the day, if you are arresting, if you are penalizing, or you are charging the civilian for slapping a police officer, the police officer has also committed crime. So both of them have committed crime. Both of them should face the law. So for the PPRO to be saying that if a police officer slap you, you should not slap back. If you slap back, you have also committed a crime. The police officer have committed a crime. So both of you should face the law. Finally, I will advise Nigerian citizens, civilians, don't go physical with police officers. You don't ever even say police civilians slap soldier. I'm not supporting the soldiers, but to some extent, those guys are professional. Though there are some of them that violate the law. You see them beating people anyhow, violating section 34 of the Constitution. I'm not supporting them, but the police relates more with the civilians because they live together with us. So the possibility of rainy in Hausa and rain, so it comes in once in a while. So I'm advising Nigerians, don't go physical with security agencies. Instead, imbibe the digital evidence, procurement of evidence. You have your phone.
Wait. Now, this digital procurement, this thing
or whatever, yes.
E get one time wey I been follow one election petition.
Yes.
And then say they know they accept all these electronic transmission. Una don make amendments wey don dey approve or what don dey accept videos and audios as evidence, knowing fully well e get another law again wey say if person share in audio with you or share video of anything, e get one law wey.
Yes, I understand that law go deviate us, but section 84 of the Evidence Act, now law we dey talk, has made provisions.
Yes.
In via which the courts can accept electronic evidence.
Finish. Now,
if police woes you slap and God help you say you get camera somewhere, you understand that is your evidence. So Nigerian citizens, quit engaging security agencies physically because some people shoot you. We have instances. There was a lawyer in Gombe here that a mobile police officer, shot him down because the guy was trying to defend himself when the police officer was harassing him. But thank God that police officer has been sentenced to death by hanging. So, but the lawyer too is dead. I know the lawyer and his family and his children, they will bear the brunt of his loss. So if you say you are engaging security agencies, sometimes if you buy even before the law will take its course. So quit engaging security agencies and prepare to have with you a way that you can get evidence. I can assure you that if a police officer mistreats you in violation of section 34 of the Constitution and you have evidence, that police officer will go down. There are human rights activists, people like us, that we can take up these matters for you free of charge to ensure that this country is governed in accordance with the rule of law and everybody's right is protected.
Okay.
Yes.
So una don hear the legal implication of the matter wey dey ground. Me, I no dey in support of say make you engage police or engage soldier or go dey fight. E get different ways wey dem fit do this thing. E get different ways. But Oga sir, you suppose go explain to your superiors the reason why you make that statement, because as far as we Nigerians wey dey law-abiding citizens, wey be law-abiding citizens, we dey see that statement as inciting. Because e be like say you wan incite some youth so that they go start quarrel and all that. Not be everybody dey normal. Some people dey survive on trouble. That statement wey you make, dem go wan see police wey go slap them so that they go, before even some police slap themselves, then they go don slap police. So abeg, make we do wetin dey right. Anyhow wey you wan do, wey you wan correct this statement to correct am, because you don empower some police officers wey need more training, wey dey act out of place before. dem go wan continue am now. I don experience am first hand. I go one bank, I no go call the bank name. I just go, the person say make I open my leather, I dey smile.
Yes.
He say make I, why I dey smile? Say him go maim me down now. Say him go maim me down for inside this same Gombe. I look at my teller and say I no understand. Why you want how just like that? Because I smile. He say why him go dey talk to me? I go smile. I say you say make I open orange, make I frown. I no understand. So basically, these are some of the things where we as a people supposed to understand. Anyways, thank you very much, digital lawyer. Anything we concern law, where we need to know the legal angle, I go come meet am.
So
We go dey drag this matter. They follow una the talk so that una not go dey blind to plenty things we suppose dey within the ambit of the law and where na una right.
Yes.
Where them will take advantage of una.
Yes.
Sleep well though if you fit. I don't talk. I better come on this thing for my face.